Hello everybody, to all of my friends who are watching in our video right now. I am selling our big resort. All you need to do is just to follow me out upstairs. After downstairs. Come on. Come on, come on. Let's be careful. Oh my god. Look at this. There's a lot of seafoods. Oh my god. So this is worth only 1.8 million. Oh yes, did you see this? And also we have here our pet. So today I am touring you in our private resort because I am selling it for 1.8 million. If you do have your money right now, all you need to do is comment down below because I will, you know what, it is bloody amazing place. Oh my god. And look at my tiger is there, my tiger. And I can dance like this. Yeah, look, you can see this is a white crystal clear water, and then over there is a wonderful place, of course. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. And there you see, this is also one big part here that you can swim, and then you can try our scuba diving. And our scuba diving is manual scuba diving. You don't need oxygen, you don't need anything, all you need to dive. Scuba diving, yes. And then there are very rocky place like this. Did you see that? There's a lot of stone. The stone is very crystal clear also because of the water. And living here is you can have if you live in this private resort, you can garden fishing. You can have a lot of fish right here because it's very nature, of course. So come on, and let's go upstairs, and then we will try to discover also. Oh, did you see that? It's also part of my resort. All the things that you see here is all mine. All mine. Nothing from other people. It's all mine. So I'm selling it's a part of my resort for you to experience it because of pandemic. Pandemic is one of the reason why we have a lot of problem. So for you to don't have a problem, go and live here alone. This is my tiger. What are you? How are you there, tiger? Huh? This is my tiger. This is I'm selling my tiger because it's eating all my my dried fish, eating all of the food that I have. So this is the reason why. So I'm selling it 150 only. See mine below the box, mine for the catfish.
You're good.